Hello, my amazing viewers. Welcome to Cook with Grace Kisui. So
So these
today's
are the
soup will be making
ingredients
a
we'll be
salad soup.
using to make
So these are the
salad
ingredients we'll
soup.
be using.
These are good things to add.
So in my pot,
See,
I washed my meat,
fish,
shaki, the rest of them are stockfish, and I put. Always remember
sauce,
this. I keep saying
okay.
before you start cooking, always wash your hands. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So I put my stockfish, my seasoning cube, which is Nor. I added my salt and add a little water for it to start cooking. Okay. So if you are coming across this video for the first time, thank you for watching Cook with Grace Kiswil, and thank you for loving our cooking. And if you want to see more recipe, please don't hesitate to like. So I boiled my yam after the meat is properly cooked. Added my yam and check the yam if it's properly done. So the yam is already ready. So I bring out my mortar and pestle and I pound the yam. So please tell me where you are watching for and I will tell you thank you in my next video. Thank you for always watching me and thanks for following Cook with Grace Swim. So I added my dry fish and I added my cow skin to the pot. Remember, we are making NASALA soup known as white soup. I also add my fresh um blended pepper, my onion, my crayfish, and the mixture of those items I listed below. And I added more water because the water there will not be enough, so I add enough water. Now I've already pounded my yam and I have to add my pounded yam into it for it you boy. So when I add the yam, I covered and allow it to boil. Yes, a lot of people like their stock, as in their soup, to be so thick. And one thing about nsala soup, the more it once it gets cold, it gets more thicker. So depending on your consistency. So mine, I don't like it so thick. And now our soup is ready. I have to add my leaf. This leaf comprises otazin and uziza. So I added the leaf, to have this a bitter taste and a sweet taste same time. So our white soup is ready, guys. Can't you see the face of the white soup? It tastes yummy. It's always tasting yummy. So guys, let me allow you guys watch
It's
through.
ready. This
I
is
love
salad
you
soup.
guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more interesting recipe like this. If you want to see more of my recipe, please don't hesitate to let me know what you want me to cook next. I love you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.